how are you today? Just now we're gonna unbox Apple AirPods Max Space Gray. These headphones, in my opinion, are one of the best in the world just now. And yeah, let's see what is inside. So this is a invoice, basically. Okay. So the invoice, and now we're gonna open the box. Show how they okay, we're gonna turn the box. And let's see. Okay, cool. Now let's see how we're gonna open the okay, cool. So this is how the box arrives for us. And let's see what is inside. Wow, a lot of this box is wrapped up in a lot of things. Right. Cool. The reason why they put in all this is just because they need to protect the product. So Apple AirPod Max. Cool. Wow. That's incredible. So as you can see, we have Apple AirPod Max Space Gray, and let's feels very high quality build. Let's see what is back here. So as you can see, AirPods Max with smart case. Wow, that's incredible. Beautiful. I do prefer space gray color because white and silver is not very practical, you know, anytime can get dirty. So that's the reason why I bought space gray. Cool. Let's open the box. And as you can see here, we have our AirPods. AirPods Max. So we have the AirPods here, and here we have the instructions. AirPods Max. Let's put back. And here we have the charging cable. And yeah, let's see what we can do. So here's the smart case. I'll take it out. So this is the smart case. And these are our headphones. Wow, impressive, impressive. So here, as you can see, covers the left side, and this one covers the right side. Yeah, really nice, well built. So the right side goes up, goes out. Very magnetical side, and this is for the left side. Yeah, very nice, really nice and well built. And I'm gonna put in the case straight away. Yeah, that's incredible. Once again, thank you very much for watching. Wow, incredible, incredible. So thank you very much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe, like and comment my videos, and see you next time. Bye bye.